For decades, C-130s have been workhorses for Allied troops around the world. As one of the most mission-versatile aircraft available, it takes significant time and cost to keep these aircraft flying. But what if there was a way to bring a whole new level of performance, reliability, and efficiency to your legacy C-130s without purchasing a whole new aircraft? The NP2000 propeller system from Collins Aerospace makes it possible. The NP2000 is an 8-blade modular composite system. Its unique design allows for individual blades to be removed and replaced on wing without changing the entire propeller system. This reduces overall maintenance cost and time by nearly half, and upgrading to the EPCS replaces old technology with modern electronic valve housing and digital controls. And it's compact. The entire NP2000 system can fit into a 463L pallet, offering more cargo space for the materials that are mission critical. NP2000 is military qualified and operating globally with over 1 million flight hours on the E2 and C-130. It delivers greater propeller takeoff thrust, shortening heavyweight takeoff by approximately 300 meters. Improving the reliability allows aircraft to be more available, and lower airframe vibration can reduce crew fatigue and lessen the impact on other aircraft systems. The advantages of NP2000 all come for a fraction of the cost of purchasing a new aircraft, and the cost savings don't end with the initial upgrade. Collins Aerospace is committed to supporting you every step of the way, with continued investment in innovation and expansion of our MRO facilities to serve operators around the world. With the NP2000 propeller system, it's more cost-effective than ever to extend your C-130 fleet and enhance performance, reliability, and efficiency for decades to come.